Hey everyone, I'm Flo, Duties Behind the Camera, and we're all about simple food, simple faith. We are making a Chinese chicken salad today, and it is inspired by all the fantastic salads that you can get at the Cheesecake Factory. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more simple food ideas. The Cheesecake Factory has a lot of really great salads, but I have to say their Chinese chicken salad, when I read the ingredients, it just makes me cringe a little. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna put in my Chinese chicken salad. I have about 12 wonton wrappers, and I'm just going to cut these up into strips, probably about 1/2 inch wide. I'm gonna lay them out on a sheet pan. I'm just sticking this in the toaster oven, so I have a small sheet pan here. In one single layer. I'm gonna spray on some avocado oil. You can use whatever oil you've got. I preheated my toaster oven to 350. You can use a large oven if you don't have a toaster oven. And we're going to bake this at 350 for 3 to 5 minutes, just until they're golden brown. So you might want to watch them. All right, so this was 5 minutes at 350. Next, I'm going to make the salad dressing. I'm using 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, or a neutral cooking oil or salad dressing oil, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Just going to whisk that together. Just making sure that the sugar dissolves. Okay, then we're just going to set this aside until we need to dress the salad. Now I'm just going to get the rest of my vegetables cut up. I have 1 green onion. I'm just going to chop this up. I have about, 8 sprigs of cilantro, just the top leafy part, and I'm just going to roughly cut this up into sections because I want them to be a little bit bigger. That's it. Using 2 aroma tomatoes. Just going to take out this core part. I'm just going to cut this into 8s. Next, I'm going to slice up an avocado. I'm just going to keep it in its skin until it's time to serve, but I'm just going to cut them thinly. I've got 2 relatively small mangoes. I'm just going to cut them where the pit is on either side. And we're also going to slice them and keep them in the skin until we're ready to serve. All right, so you can see how the pit is just a narrow pit in the mango. I pan-fried some chicken using my grandmother's recipe that we will link to. Otherwise, you can use any cooked chicken that you have that's maybe left over or from a rotisserie chicken, completely up to you. I'm just going to slice up these thighs, and I left the skin on. You can make it without the skin. Now it's time to assemble. I have about 5 ounces of mixed greens. And this is just this boxed salad greens. That's about 130 grams-ish. I'm going to season it with some salt. I like to season my salads. So just a couple pinches of salt and some pepper. Okay, so make sure you whisk the dressing until it's kind of emulsified so that it's not separating. And then we're going to pour this over all of the salad. Okay, I'm going to put the chicken on top. Your tomatoes. Avocado. And we're scooping out our mango. And your green onions, just sprinkle that all over, along with cilantro. Don't forget the wonton wrappers that we made. And roasted sesame seeds, kind of all over. The Chinese chicken salad at the Cheesecake Factory is $30. I made this for about $10. My most expensive item was probably the chicken, and we live in Canada, so chicken is expensive. So that was probably $4 in the whole salad. And of course, avocados are also expensive here. So my one avocado was like $2. And then everything else is fairly reasonable. So I'm gonna say about $10 for this whole salad that can feed 3 to 4 people. All right. Does that look good or what? Are you all ready for?
Ooh, the taste. It smells so good. Got the Asian vibe. When you look at this, guys, this is way more, I can't quantify necessarily, but this is gonna be way more than what you get at Cheesecake Factory. Not only in the volume of, but all the good stuff. More protein, more, you don't get mango, more avo. Do you get avo? You get all the good stuff, premium stuff, and you know exactly what goes in there. Let's get in there. Chicken. Grandma's chicken. Can't go wrong. A lot of stuff, a lot of goodies in here. So I think this is as close to a perfect bite as I'm gonna get in here. Avocado. Oh, can I do it? All right, there goes nothing. The dressing's really nice. A lot of umami, a lot of flavor, a nice contrast with all the different ingredients. When Flo made that dressing, I thought, there's no way it's gonna be enough to cover all that veg and all the ingredients that goes in here, but it's just the right amount. I love that bite with all the contrasting texture and flavors. You got a little bit crisp from the wonton skins and the brightness of the fruit, of the mango. This is gonna be a great meal for anyone who does this, and you don't have to pay $1 bazillion. So do it.
Awesome, thanks, dude.
Yep.
When the weather warms up, all I want to eat is salad. Check this recipe out on FLO'S.com.